Hello, today I will tell you a beautiful story of stars, the little star's dream. Once upon a time, in the vast expanse of the night sky, there was a little star named Stella. She twinkled brightly among her fellow stars, but she had a dream that set her apart from the others. Stella wanted to shine the brightest and become the most beautiful star in the entire galaxy. Every night, as the sky darkened, Stella would stretch her tiny rays of light as far as she could, hoping to be noticed by everyone below. She yearned for the admiration and attention of all the creatures on Earth. Stella believed that if she could shine brighter than any other star, her dream would come true. One evening, Stella caught a glimpse of the moon as it rose high in the sky. The moon glowed with a gentle radiance, captivating the hearts of all who saw it. Stella was mesmerized by the moon's tranquil beauty and decided to seek its guidance. She approached the moon with excitement and asked, "Dear moon, how can I shine brighter and become the most beautiful star in the sky?" The moon, wise and serene, smiled kindly at Stella. "Little star, your brightness and beauty are already unique. But remember, true beauty lies not in outshining others, but in embracing who you are and spreading joy to those around you." Stella pondered the moon's words. She realized that her dream had been misguided all along. It wasn't about outshining others, but about illuminating the lives of those she touched. Determined to find her true purpose, Stella decided to light up the darkest corners of the world. She sent her soft rays of light to the children who were afraid of the dark, bringing them comfort and warmth. She brightened the paths of lost travelers, guiding them safely to their destinations. Stella even twinkled brightly during special moments, such as birthdays and celebrations. As Stella shared her light and love with others, something magical happened. Her light grew brighter and more vibrant than ever before. People began to notice her brilliance and started pointing up at the night sky, admiring the little star that brought them so much joy. Stella realized that her dream had come true, but not in the way she had initially imagined. She had become the most beautiful star by sharing her light selflessly and making a positive difference in the lives of others. From that day forward, Stella continued to shine brightly, not to outshine others, but to bring light and happiness to the world. And every night, when children looked up at the sky, they could see Stella, the little star, twinkling with a lesson of love and kindness. Moral lesson: true beauty lies in spreading joy and kindness to others. It is not about outshining others, but about embracing your uniqueness and making a positive difference in the world.